Not bad from Overton. He won't mind that pushing it up because there is a bit of movement there, but it was met very firmly by Shubman Gill, who moves to 19, 76 for 2.
Hard, but it's not been as much as it was in 2022.
Oh, trouble here, and he's gone. What a way to go. Atkinson following through has thrown down the stumps. It was a bad run initially, and then Shubman Gill just slipped as he looked to turn and come back to his crease, but he is well short of his ground.
Disaster. Disaster for India.
Bounce, which he's dealt with expertly. That's a really classy shot from Sudarshan.
In the air, in the gap. Oh, that's a beauty. That is a beauty. He struggled with rhythm, and out of nowhere he's produced an absolute jaffa. Lovely. Shubman Gill played an exquisite cover drive earlier. That's just as good from Karun Nair. Tickle fine. Yeah, intentional from Jadeja. Uppercut over the slip cord and one bounce boundary. Oh, yes, again. Same again from Josh Tongue. You really don't know what you're going to get from him today, but he has produced 2 unplayable deliveries.
And skipper.
Gone fine, and that is the shortest boundary on the ground. Edged and gone. Very next ball after the review. It's a poor shot. The bounce of the oval, and Harry Brook very safe at slip.
That's a good catch. That extra bounce, it flew off the edge.
Again, leg side. There's been a few of those. Played that pretty well. Didn't go through with it. As it swung, you just opened the blade, back-to-back boundaries.
There again, every now and then.
Oh, timed beautifully off the hip. You can save your legs. Oh, full toss. Gets the treatment it deserves. Poor ball to finish the over. 197 for 6. As well as deep square leg. It will be 50. Karun Nair, nicely played. Comes back for his second.